Hello, happy homemakers. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Today I am bringing you the second part of my spring cleaning videos. I'm going to be doing a few of them, so please go ahead and check that out. This is my junk drawer. I am getting rid of it completely, and I'm also cleaning out a couple other drawers, so here we go.
What things you like and what you don't, it's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down?
This is the drawer that I had all of the baggies and foil and all of that stuff in, and so now I am putting paper plates and napkins and plastic silverware so that it's easier to get to, and I can clean out this other cabinet, which will be in a separate video, but I was just putting all of this in here tonight.
Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away. They're haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep, 'cause she left me here alone. Now my bed feels just like cobblestone. Oh, why did she go? Oh, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa, why did she go? I met her back in 2005. It was her crooked little smile that caught my eye.
Here I am cleaning up all of the junk from the junk drawer that I just didn't have a location for immediately. and I am finding a place for everything and throwing away things that I don't need to keep anymore. And then I just do this for a while. So don't forget to subscribe if you like more videos like this. I will be doing a few parts to the spring cleaning videos, spring cleaning videos. I'll be doing a few of them. So I plan to get a lot done and a lot filmed for you guys. So make sure to subscribe so that you can get more motivation from watching.
that she'd be the one. Whoa. Just tell me, why did she go? Whoa. Why did she go? Whoa. Was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa. Just tell me, why did she go?
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, please don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you next time. Bye.